Here is your first look at testing for the ride vehicles that you will see on the new Lego Factory Adventure ride when Legoland New York debuts next year. The trackless, motion-based vehicles from ETF will be the first of their kind in the Legoland theme park. Want to see what you would look like as a Lego Minifig? You'll get the chance on the new ride. Legoland showing off the technology for the first time here today. Finally, Legoland New York is also showing off more of the on-ride POV media too.